Hello, Dr. Gulani. I am very thankful what you have done for us, and we are very thankful for your foundation as well. I'm flying back to Poland tomorrow, back home with a calm. So thank you once again.
84 years of blindness, and now I can see so much better, so much. Thank you, Gulani Vision and Gulani Vision Foundation.
Pick up your chairs.
We donate that for all the amazing stuff you do for people in the country.
You can even take the TV.
Great. I
All
always
these,
ask.
you can take the TV, you can even take these chairs
Okay.
and help everybody settle in life
Okay.
and find.
What I do, you come out and greet probably, well, at least 2 to 3 families.
Keep helping the world. Enjoy your eyes.
Thank you.
Love it. Take care. My pleasure.
Hi, I'm Rob Simon. I was just operated on by Dr. Gulani, doctor after doctor after doctor telling me I can't get operated on. I did the surgery. Man, I didn't expect to see an op. I also found out that Dr. Gulani has a foundation, and he uses it for children. He uses it for people that can't pay. He uses it for development. And my company that we own, we contribute to that, and I hope other people do too, because this is something people shouldn't be without their sight because of money. That's crazy. So I greatly appreciate Dr. Gulani doing that and having a foundation for people to work with.